International Mud Day, ma'am. Thank you.
This is how we started our day for
Do something.
the celebration of the mud day, and the end. We are not so successful to made a number of things, but this is. But one thing I mentioned here, we like connecting to the mud by celebration this beautiful day, and enjoyed a lot with my brother, and these are the outcomes. I hope you liked it. Stay connected and enjoy.